Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, March 21st, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, we have a high of 68, a low of 36, thunderstorms, and a low chance of rain. Today, I'm not sure what we're having for breakfast, but for lunch it'll be hot dog, beans, and potato wedges. I want to wish a happy late birthday to someone we missed, Aubrey Wells. So sorry, Aubrey. We missed her on March 16th. March 18th birthdays, we have a Miracle Martinez. And today, March 21st, we have Miss Kaylee Moore. So happy birthday to all of those birthday gals. Today's announcements. Today is a very exciting day here at Kate Shepherd. We have the ACAP Summit of Beginning. Our testing begins today, and we know that our second and third grade scholars have set some awesome goals for their ACAP scores, and we are cheering them on to do their very best, okay? So if you see those second and third graders in the hall today, give them a thumbs up, give them a silent high five, and we are rooting for all of our friends here at Kate Shepherd to do their very best. We know we are a great school, and we have worked really hard this year, and we have learned a lot, and now it's time to show off a little bit. We can do it. Today's late duty is Miss Shepherd. Tomorrow's Miss Sunstall, then Miss Moore and Bertolino. Important dates. ACAP Summative begins on the 27th. Our report cards go home. March 30th is a first grade field trip. April 7th is third quarter honor walk. April 14th, Kona Ice and Spring Picnic. Lots of fun things happening. We're going to work hard, and then we're going to have a little fun. AR Superstars, these are from last quarter. Arch, Chloe Fair, Bertolino, Cassie Wilcox, Blankenship, Malia Crenshaw, Kamaya Dean, Carter Harris, Kason Riley, and Kalani Robinson. Hamlin's class, Zach Bolton. Moore, Nevaeh Davis, Tatiana Parker. Miss Tompkins' class, Lucas Hobrute had 928% of his goal. Wow! That means he had 59.4 points. Way to go, Lucas Obrute. Also, in Miss Zimlet's class, we have Raylan Arnold, Kaluni Bogarty, Winston Davis, Bailey Hinton, Justin Mitchell, Chloe Niles, Malia Parker, Mateo Sanchez. In Miss Lee's class, 100% of her students met their AR goal. That is awesome. That would be Carson Deming, Solomon Fox Ross, Emery Freed, Lincoln Green, Charlie Jackson, Kingston Jackson, Jace Leonard, Liberty McDavid, Riley McGlasker Lewis, Laura Moore, Bailey Nelson, Lauren Packer, Raylan Pogue, Jensen Ray, Journey Reed, Kaylee Robinson, Joseph Rogers, Delia Strait, Mackay Turner, Landon Watkins, Ryan Williams, and Stephen Womack. Way to go, Miss Lee's class. Building great readers down there. Also, congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week from last week. Top K1 class, Miss Hogan. Top 2-3 class, Miss Sunstall. Top 4-5 class, Miss Barnes. So, top kindergarten and first student was Mr. Dylan Anderson with 14 lessons passed. Top 2-3 student is Major Stone. Way to go, Major Stone, with 14 lessons passed in Miss Shepherd's class. And top 4th, 5th grade student, Jonathan Brandow, with 10 lessons passed. Way to go, students. Way to work hard. Send us your questions if you have one. We have a funny joke of the day. How do celebrities keep cool? Well, they have many fans. Ha ha ha. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, and I have one more shout out to my friends in room 110. Thanks for the goodies to get us started today. Everybody get pumped for the ACAP testing, and if you are testing today, be on the lookout for your fantastic sharpened testing pencil to get you going. You're going to do great. Have a wonderful day, Shepherd Scholars.